Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox TAS. This powerful tool lets you automate gameplay inputs with incredible accuracy, unlocking new levels of precision and speed. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced editing, helping you master its capabilities. You will learn how to make your in-game actions flawless, achieving seemingly impossible feats with consistent results. Setting up your environment is the first critical step. Begin by carefully installing the necessary Roblox TAS client, following all given instructions for proper integration. Once installed, take some time to explore the user interface. Notice the timeline, input editor, and the various playback options. Properly configuring your Roblox client ensures smooth communication between the game and your TAS tool. Now, let's record your very first set of inputs. Activate the recording mode within your TAS interface, then start playing your Roblox game. Every button press and movement you make will be precisely captured, second by second and frame by frame. After recording a short segment, use the playback controls to review your sequence. This allows you to immediately see how your inputs translated into in-game actions. Editing is where the true power of Roblox TAS shines through. The input editor provides incredibly granular control, allowing you to fine-tune every single action frame by frame. You can effortlessly insert new inputs, delete unwanted ones, or modify existing commands to achieve perfect timing. Experiment with features like keyframe interpolation and precise delay adjustments for seamless and highly optimized movement paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.